Is nutritional yeast actually healthy, or is this talk about it just a big hype? In this video, we're going to go over what nutritional yeast is, the amazing health benefits it provides you with, and 3 ways you can incorporate it in your ketogenic journey. Nutritional yeast is, unlike brewer's yeast, dead, inactive yeast that is usually characterized by a nutty, cheesy flavor. And it is very common amongst the vegan community as a cheese substitute. But who am I anyway? Well, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Talita from Shrinking with Keto. And throughout my ketogenic journey, I have lost over 190 pounds and reversed my type 2 diabetes. Now, throughout this journey, I have helped and coached plenty of people reach their goal, and I hope to do the same for you. Nutritional yeast has a complete amino acid profile, and it also provides the building blocks for protein and body tissue. Another amazing health benefit that nutritional yeast has is that it has almost a complete complex of all the B vitamins. On a low-carb diet, such as the ketogenic diet, we're usually depleted of some B vitamins, others because we kind of need to take through grains that we do not eat on a ketogenic diet, and a lot of our B vitamins are also flushed out with the electrolytes because we're not holding back to excess waters. Consuming nutritional yeast on our ketogenic diet can give us almost every single B vitamin that we need to supplement with. Nutritional yeast is also very rich in some minerals such as selenium, zinc, and even phosphorus. Specifically, one of my favorite things about nutritional yeast is that it is a perfect supplement for a ketogenic vegan diet, as it is a complete protein and it also has a B12 vitamin. B12 vitamin is usually found in animal products, so vegans do not usually obtain the B12 vitamin. That is very important for a healthy nervous system, and in this way they can obtain it through nutritional yeast. Before we move on as to how we can use nutritional yeast, let me interrupt you for a second. If this is the first time you're seeing this pretty face, let's make sure it's not the last. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and ring that bell icon so that YouTube can let you know every single time I make a new video for you. And please feel free to ask me anything you want down in the comments section below, and I will try my best to answer every single one of your questions. One of the simplest ways to use nutritional yeast is to drizzle it directly on your sautéed vegetables or even in your salad. For example, you can take a couple of broccoli in your broccoli and sauté them in olive oil and garlic. Now, once they're nice and hot and off the pan, you can drizzle nutritional yeast on them and it will give them that cheesy, nutty flavor. Another yummy way to add nutritional yeast to your ketogenic diet is with eggs. Just take a couple of eggs and start scrambling them. Now, the trick here is because nutritional yeast is in flakes and it will take in all the excess waters, you want to add the nutritional yeast while the eggs that you are scrambling are still pretty liquid. This is going to give it the cheesy, nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with eggs without you even having to add any cheese. And finally, nutritional yeast is perfect to thicken up soups or even bone broth. When your soup is ready or your bone broth is warmed up, all you have to do is add some pretty generous amount of nutritional yeast, again, to give it a cheesy flavor, but also to make it nice and dense and creamy. If you want to see my top choices for nutritional yeast, all you have to do is check the links down in the description below. So there you have it, what nutritional yeast is, the amazing health benefits it has, and 3 ways that you can implement it in your ketogenic diet today. Now, if you have gotten any value out of this video, I will kindly ask you to press the thumbs up button, as this helps you to take this content and push it out to more people that need it, just like you. And as always, chin up, or the crown slips.